What's up, YouTube? This is John, back with another episode of Engineering Awesome. And today, I wanted to tell you guys that I quit. I'll explain more. Let's get into it. As many of you guys have noticed, I really haven't been making that many videos. In fact, any in almost 2 months. So, does that mean that I quit working on the plasma? Does that mean I quit shooting? Does that mean that I haven't done anything with the laser? No. In fact, the plasma is to a point where it now cuts. The laser, I've made quite a few little products on that, and I've even made some signs that have been a lot of fun. I got a planer to work with that, but I have kind of pushed that off to the side so that I can focus on the plasma. Now, one of the biggest developments, and probably the only reason why I haven't been doing any of this stuff, is that I actually quit my job. Now, when I say I quit my job, that just means that I quit a very stable job that I had with one of the big 3 automotive manufacturers as a supervisor. Now, as you guys can probably tell, I'm an engineer. I like making things, I like designing things, and I like doing that kind of thing. Supervision really wasn't where I wanted to be. It was probably some of the best experience that I could have gotten, but it ultimately wasn't what I wanted to be doing. Now, I had an opportunity to go out and work for a smaller integration company who is trying to expand into mechanical design. However, the benefits weren't really there. With my wife being type 1 diabetic. So I chose to go work for another company that requires about 40 to 50 hours a week, Monday through Friday, no weekends, which allows me to devote substantially more time to design work. And I'm hoping to this as well. My YouTube videos, I'm hoping to get back onto a schedule where I do at least one a week, probably one every 2 weeks, at least getting back into the groove of things. And it's going to let me expand my plasma. Now, what I mean by that is I'm hoping to do not only more work to it and expand its capabilities, but I've got a lot of products that I'm hoping to make. Things that I need around the house and the garage that I think might be fun for other people to make and kind of experiment with as well. So, I'm going to probably end up offering some DIY welding kits, little projects and stuff that will hopefully help somebody learn how to weld, little things that I've been making that have been helping me learn to weld. So we'll kind of get into that hopefully more as time moves along, but I just wanted to kind of clarify my absence. So I did quit that job. I'm now working a more regular schedule. I'm back on day shift, which is excellent, and I'm out of supervision. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a short clip of the CNC plasma actually cutting. Now, this is just a Mustang emblem. I'm not making it to sell or anything, but you know, it's just kind of fun to make, and I'm only doing the outline too. I'm not doing anything else. This was a file that I actually downloaded specifically to work on my torch height controller. I'm still having some trouble with the Ethernet smooth stepper taking inputs from the port 2. Now I have enough inputs on port 1 to actually make that work, but I'm saving those for my limits, so that's why I haven't got that really perfect quite yet. So let's take a look at this and see what you guys think. I just wanted to say that I do appreciate those of you that have continued to watch, continued to use my affiliate links to help support the channel, and have frankly been continuing to subscribe. Even in my absence, I have still gotten a ton of subscribers. So be looking for a giveaway here in the near future, just to kind of express my appreciation for you guys continuing to watch and support the channel. And as always, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of the video, and let me know what you guys are interested in seeing. Do you want to see me make some signs? Do you want to see me make some of the stuff that I plan on making in the garage? What are you guys interested in seeing? Just go ahead and let me know down in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time on Engineering Awesome.